Hello everybody, this is Sudan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today we are going to discuss about ready mix concrete. So this is a typical setup for ready mix concrete. In center it have a mixing unit and transist mixture. So transist mixture used to transport the concrete one place to another place, and it have a mixture. In centralized it have a mixer. Around the mixture it have a, cement tank, and it have a water tank, and it have a aggregate tank, the coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. Okay, and centralized computer unit. Okay, and the centralized computer unit, we have to, with the help of centralized computer unit, we have to fix the ratio and the quantity of materials required for mix. Okay, then automatically the materials comes to the mixing unit, the required materials, the set, if you are setting the computer, okay, the ratio and the materials required for one mix, that materials will automatically come to the mixer. Okay, and that will be rotate clockwise and mixed well, and there will be transmit the concrete to the transist mixture, and the transist mixture supply the concrete to the construction site. This is the process. Okay, and what is mean by ready mix concrete? Ready mix concrete is a ready to use material with predetermined mixture of cement, sand, aggregate and water in a correct proportion. Okay, ready mix concrete is concrete whose components are proportioned away from the construction site for delivery to the construction site by truck in a ready to use condition. Okay, so this is called as ready mix concrete. And a ready mix concrete, it have a IS code for the transportation of concrete, because the purchaser should plan his arrangement so to enable to full load concrete to be discharged within 13 minutes of arrival on the site. So after arrival of site, the concrete will be placed within 30 minutes. That arrangement should be done by the purchaser. Okay, time to transport, general requirement is that concrete shall be discharged from the truck mixture within 2 hours of the time of loading. After the time of loading, that will be discharged within 2 hours. There is a time of transport. Okay, the time of loading shall start from adding the mixing of water, dry mix in the cement and aggregate, or adding the cement to the wet aggregate, whichever is applicable. Okay. So need for ready mix concrete, requirement of higher grades of concrete and correct accountability ingredients, rapid development of infrastructure industry, increased demand of concrete. These are all the need of ready mix concrete. So increase the demand of concrete. Sometimes they are placing the mass concrete like bridge and dam required bulk quantity of concrete, and on that time the hand mixing and mechanical machine mixing is not comfortable. On that situations we are using this kind of ready mix concrete. With the help of ready mix concrete, we have to supply large quantity of concrete in a day. Okay, and possibility of manufacture of desired grades, mega project demands higher output, timely supply of reliable concrete, better quality concrete is produced, elimination of storage space for basic materials at the site, elimination of procurement, hiring of plant and machinery, wastage of basic materials is avoided. These are all the benefits of and necessity of ready mix concrete. Okay, so this is the setup for ready mix concrete, and the materials required for ready mix concrete is water and admixtures, because we are the transportation time, we are using the concrete for long time. The mixing to placing time is 2.5 hours. Under situations we are using some admixtures, then only the concrete will not set. Okay, that is called as retarders. Retarders is a chemicals to increasing the setting time of concrete. Okay, and cement, aggregate, and air entraining agents. These are all the materials required for ready mix concrete. Okay. So these are all the materials. Superplasticizer is also using for ready mix concrete, and water reducing admixtures, that like air entraining agents, and miscellaneous admixtures such as corrosion inhibiting, shrinkage, reducing coloring, and pumping. That mainly superplasticizers used to increase the workability of concrete, because the ready mix concrete need more workability, because there will be pumped in third floor or fourth floor, that required more workability. Okay, that's why we are adding superplasticizers to increase the workability of concrete, ready mix concrete. Okay, and also we are using mineral admixtures like fly ash and that is called as silica fume. That kind of mineral admixtures also used to improve the performance, that means durable strength and durability of concrete. Okay. Water, we are adding water for pH value is 7. That kind of water is added for mixing the ready mix concrete, and also rices cash. These are all the mineral admixtures adding to improve the performance of ready mix concrete. Okay, these are all the typical setup for ready mix concrete. This is a layout. Okay. Okay, this is called as transist mixture. This is used to transport the concrete for long distance. So this is a photo. Thank you.